What's up, y'all? Welcome back to this YouTube channel. So let's get started. To give the video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will not miss my upcoming videos. Today we are going to learn something very funny and very nice to see on our Mac computers. So here, how to install Homebrew and then CMatrix on Mac OS. So as you can see here, I have already Homebrew installed and CMatrix installed. So if you don't have Homebrew installed, there is a command here. This command, you have to run it on your computer to install it. Or you can go straight to the Homebrew website like this one, brew.sh, and run this command. This command is the one I have copied here. So this is to install the Homebrew, because if there is no Homebrew, it will be challenging to install the CMatrix. That's why you have to install the Homebrew first. If the Homebrew is installed, you can run here on your own terminal. You open your terminal and run here this brew -- version to see if it is installed. Let me try to show you here, like version. As you can see right now, when I'm doing this video, the brew version is 4.1.14. But the time when you will do it, maybe the version will be upgraded. So as long as you see the brew and the version number here, it means that you have it installed on your computer. This way you can also write brew -1v, and it will do the same thing from here to here. Is the same output. So if you have it installed, then you run this brew install CMatrix. So I have this installed in my computer. So if it is installed, and you can check, for example, by writing CMatrix with X and -v. If there is no an error saying that CMatrix is not installed, it means you are good to go. So let me run this. If it is not an error, we will continue. So from here, CMatrix, those are the components of the CMatrix. So it means it is installed. There is no an error here. Then what I can do is just to write this one, CMatrix, in my terminal, CMatrix, as you can see, and I press enter. And as you can see here, there is this animation. This is a fun and entertaining command line program that simulates the matrix digital rain. So if you want to let your computer on an idle, you can install and run this CMatrix. So you can put this to the bigger size, so it will take on the screen of your computer. And if you want to stop it, you can run this one, Control+C. So if we come here, we press Control+C and it stops. If you want to run it again, you will just press the upward arrow on your computer and press enter again. So this is the way how you can install Homebrew first and install CMatrix through Brew. So if you enjoy it, give this video a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you next time. Bye bye. If you have some difficulties, you can put a comment down below too, and I will try to answer you as soon as possible.